welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIARA'S, and today we are headed to go get our nails done and our lashes done. My nails is at 10 a.m. my lashes is at 12:10. And I'm just now leaving the vet to get one of my dogs their prescriptions, and I am headed there right now. I had to actually stop by the bank and get some cash. So today's list is to pretty much get nails done, get lashes done, and then I have to go back to the mall because I bought some shoes yesterday and I tried on like my clothing, like the clothes that I want to wear with the shoes, and it doesn't look good. Only one pair, but it doesn't go with like the outfit that I'm looking for. So I have to take those back, and I guess I'm just going to either, hopefully if I found some more, if not, I just wear the ones that I got at the house. So we have that on the list, and then I could just show you guys like packing with me to go to Miami because that's pretty much where I'm going for my boyfriend's birthday. Oh my god. I'm really I'm gonna say, like, I'm not surprised, but it's like so surreal, like, if you want to say that, like, we really been dating for 5 years, going on 6 years in January. And to see him actually turn 25, it's like a big thing for me because I feel like we've been dating since we was 18, 19. And in my opinion, I feel like sometimes when you date at a young age, things doesn't work out. But I feel like me and him, I'm just like super proud of us both to really be like I'm gonna just say happy, serious with the relationship, because I feel like a lot of people in our generation really just date people to date them, or think like, oh, you're supposed to get something out of it. It's supposed to be one thing together, like y'all supposed to do it together. So I feel really happy and proud that we made it this far. But that's that. Yeah, so I'm just pretty much headed there now. I get my hair done tomorrow, so I may record that. I'm going to the same person I went for my birthday, so I may record that, I may not, but it's just gonna be pretty much like a packing with me. I pretty much have everything prepared, like set up. I just have to get other things pretty much organized. Like, I have my clothes out, but I just got to get everything organized with the bags, the shoes, and you know, underwear and stuff. So yeah, I'm driving, so I get back at you guys when I get to the nail salon. So you guys, I just finished getting my nails done. As you can see, hunty, the things are cute. Let me show y'all how they look. You know, I'm gonna do the little demonstration and everything, but I just got my nails done. I'm actually walking to go get my lashes done right now. The same person from last time. She did my nails good as fuck, took her time, and I really love her patience. I love her energy. So I think that's my nail tech. Hopefully she just have availability for whenever I need an appointment, or I just gotta be booking, honey, know my schedule. So yeah, I'm going to get my lashes done. Actually, I used the bathroom really bad, so I'm trying to like walk quick, but the nails are busting. It's fall time, y'all, so try a fall color. So I'll talk to you guys when I get back out. As you can see, I got my lashes done. Let me show y'all. Let me get in the camera. I mean the light. So I got my lashes done. Okay. So I'm finna actually get ready to pack. Like I was saying, I have some clothes. Let me show y'all. I have clothes, like these are my clothes that I pretty much have ready, like purses, clothes. I have to still get some stuff, and I have to get some shoes still. I have some shoes right here, like right there on the floor. I got a couple pair of shoes. So I'm just pretty much, I'm actually tired, I'm drained, but I had to get this done today because I ain't trying to do it when I get my hair done tomorrow. I'm like ready, trying to literally chill. So yeah, I'm gonna actually get my suitcase. So let me go grab. I'm gonna take my black Tory Burch slides because I do be wearing these. Those go. I'm gonna take my cream ones. I consider them cream. They say they are white, but you know, we different. I'm gonna also take my Converse, my G2 slides. I like how his shoes come with this on it, because like if you guys can see, like you see how like the shoes have to be like that. That's like dirty. That's real dirty. But everybody else don't give one. But okay, and then like for the dinner we should be, I may wear these. I really don't want to wear them, but I ain't got no choice because I haven't found any other heels to actually go with them. So these are the heels I may be wearing. I think I showed you guys. No, I did not. But it was a pair of heels I had from where are they? Steve Madden. They are nice, but it ain't giving me what it's supposed to give, and it doesn't. No, it do give me what it's supposed to give. It just don't go with the outfit that I'm trying to wear for his birthday dinner. So it's no point of having. So outfits. Ouch, that actually hurt it. So I have like a couple outfits. If you guys know, in my Shein video, I have tried, well, I did not try, but Shein video, I had this outfit. This dress also is from Shein, and then I may be wearing this for his birthday. So this like what we supposed to be wearing together. It's supposed to be white, but you know, you gotta match. He got some blue in his, so I gotta wear blue top. These are two jumpers, black and gray, I got from Forever 21. I'm gonna put these pants on top. And then I have these shorts. I got these two shorts, and I have this shirt, and I don't know which one I want to wear. These are shorter than these. So if I'm at the moment I want to wear some booty shorts, I'm gonna put them on. But if I don't want to wear like booty shorts, I put the other ones on because the shirts still go with it. So that's an outfit. Did a Shein, like in my Shein haul, I had these shorts. I think this is me, what I may wear on the plane. These other jeans with a what is this called? A jumper. Is it called a jumper? A bodysuit. That's what it is, a bodysuit. So that's that. I don't know which one I want to wear on the plane though, honestly. I don't think I'm gonna wear this one because this one is like this top. I don't want to be cold. You guys remember in the Shein haul, I did this bathing suit, this black one. So that's two. And for purses, I'm gonna take my Louis bag. I think I'm gonna wear this one out. I wore that one today, so I think I'm gonna wear this one on the plane because I be really bored. Then I'm gonna take my black one because I actually took pictures yesterday. And when what I took pictures of was how I will wear my clothes with what accessories, so I don't take a lot of purses. And then I'm like, oh, I didn't even have an outfit to go with this purse. So, oh, this chain is cold. I just took pictures beforehand, so you guys can. That's what I prefer, like somebody to do, because it do make sense. So I'm gonna put my purses on the shoe side since the shoe side is pretty much empty. So this is how full we is right now. This is how we look. So we got Coach purse, Louis purse, Tory Burch, heels, sandals, shoes, sandals again. Then we have clothes, bathing suit over there. So this is where we are right now. And then I also take my perfume. This one I actually love, so I'm just gonna take one. The watch I'm going to take, I'm actually probably gonna put that on. Then I have like this ring. I actually like it to put with this ring. I put it as a set. My boyfriend said these hoops will go perfect with my what is it called, with what I put on for the gift. I said for the gift. It goes perfect for, what is it, when I put the outfit together. Those earrings was really good. And then, like I said, I'm going to wear this chain. So it's like I really don't need nothing because this chain goes with everything. It's like an everyday chain. That was one of my gifts from my boyfriend. He loves you, girl. Oh, but do y'all see my fall nails? Get into it. So I think that's it for me. Besides, well, I'm not even gonna take this. Like, I would have took this, but I don't want it to actually waste. Like, I know they're reckless with throwing bags, so I don't want my clothes to get messed up. So I'm not gonna take that. So it is what it is. But I think I'm gonna call this a night. I think this is the end of this video. And my boyfriend didn't pack none of his clothes. But I think I should, oh my God. Oh, look, I almost left this. Oh, I can't go nowhere without you. Let's throw you in there. You go. So yeah, I almost actually forgot that until I looked at my mannequin. So I really think that's everything. Do you think I should take these bucket hats though? It's like 3 bucket hats, but it's like it really doesn't go with nothing. So it's pointless. And I was thinking about taking this bag. It's like another Coach bag. I actually like it, so I'm gonna take it with me. Giving very much tea, sis. So I believe that's everything that I'm gonna take. If I need more, I'll just buy more. Okay, so yeah, I just have to figure out on the day of the plane, well, the day I get up, what I'm actually going to put on, because at this moment I don't know what I want to put on. So I'm gonna just lay down and relax, because it's been a long day for me. Okay, a long day. So I'm just gonna peace out. I know I haven't did a positivity note, so I'm actually trying to think about what I am today. It's like crazy. I don't like how this is in my forehead. I can say, let's think. Let's have a chat. I can say, that's something felt. I can say that I'm not gonna say I gained patience, but I am starting for myself. I am starting to let things go. I am accepting the past. I am accepting life as it is. It is a journey. It is a journey. But each day you have to keep pushing. Also focus on yourself. Focus on who love you. Be around positivity. Set boundaries with people and do not let anyone cross those boundaries. And I think that's about it. I feel like that's a good one. Set boundaries, because baby, you know, once a person cross those boundaries, it's over. They're gonna feel like they always can disrespect you. And that's a no. That's a no. Do not let anyone disrespect you. So I think that's a good one. I actually like that one. Set boundaries. I like that one. I need to set boundaries. I should have been did that a long time ago. But I'm learning now. Like, anyone I meet, or even like now, like people that I'm with, like if you're going too far, it's a no for me. So set boundaries with people and don't let them cross those boundaries. Okay, so you trying to come in here real quiet. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm actually finna lay down and probably get some sleep, because I have to get up and get my hair done in the morning. And I may, like, this may not be the end of the video, but if it is, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you comment down below happy birthday, Kiara boyfriend, because I'm not going to tell y'all his name. If y'all know his name, y'all know his name. But yeah, make sure you comment down below and tell my boo a happy birthday. Follow me on Instagram at _Cypriana, and my beauty page at KIARA'S_beauty. And make sure your post notification bell is on. And make sure you are subscribed, and tell a friend to subscribe, because we going up with this vlogging and that song.
period. So peace out. Good night. Bye.